What's up, everybody? So, welcome back to your 11th PHP tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be talking about numbers. Hopefully you know about numbers. If not, you should probably start with like a different series. But I mean, you can go for it. You don't know about numbers, just go for it. You can do this. So numbers, they're quite common in PHP. We will be working with them a lot. My eyebrow itches. So, just like if you have a variable, let's say number. I know, so creative. I couldn't think of anything. Well, just like you can assign this a string value, you can also assign it a numeric value. So I could say 5. The thing about this is different. It's different than a string because it doesn't have quotes. So this is treated as a string. This is treated as a string. This is treated as a number. And I know it doesn't mean much now, but when you're working with these numbers, you're going to get incorrect results if you are treating a string as a number or a number as a string. So you have to get those correct. Alright. So, you will also do a lot of arithmetic, or basic adding, subtracting, multiplication, stuff like that. So you will need to know what are known as arithmetic operators. I think I got this. I got it. Yeah, I spelled it right. Operators. So that's basically something that is going to do something with your value. Like you give it two values, it'll add them together, for example. Just like a while ago, we talked about the assignment operator, where you had name, Caleb. Well, this right here, this is the assignment operator, and what it does is it makes this variable point to that value. Pretty simple. Well, there's also arithmetic operators. One of these is plus, one of them is minus. One of them is divide. One of them is multiplication. It's hard to draw. It's the asterisk, capital 8 thing. There's also the modulus. I think that's it. And there's also a negative sign. So let's say we have the variable x, okay? We can, and its value is 5. Okay? Just for reference. Just so you know what I mean. Well, we can also put a negative sign before it, or a minus sign pretty much. This is going to make it a negative 5. So yes, that's an operator that only affects one value. We could also, that only uses one value. We could also use a plus sign. So it could be like plus 3, and this is going to give us 8, because 5 plus 3 is 8. We could also subtract 3. And get 2, because 5 minus 3 is 2. We can divide, which I don't know how to divide 5, and I don't know how to do that. So let's say this is 6 divided by 3. Well, that's going to be 2. We can also multiply 6 times 3. That's going to be 6, 12, 18. Then we have the modulus, which is a remainder. So this one's a little more tricky. So let's say this is the value 7, okay? And we're going to get the modulus of 3. Well, basically, we count how many times 3 goes into 7, and then however many is left is the result. So we could get 3 plus 3, which is 6. But you see, if we try to add another 3, it's 9, so that's too many. So we have 6, and there's a total of 7. That means there's 1 left over. It's the remainder. Basic math here. So this would give us the value 1. If x had the value 7, and we got the modulus like this, this is going to give us the value 1. And you could try that on a lot of other different types of numbers. So those are basic arithmetic operators. Oh, darn it, I don't know how to spell arithmetic. It'd be arithmetic. Duh. There we go. I don't know. Anyways, that's all I really have to say about arithmetic operators. They're fairly easy to understand. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah.